Driving has long been one of America's favorite pastimes, and it's back in a big way. According to Federal Reserve economic data, vehicle miles traveled have rebounded to pre-pandemic levels. And the latest data analysis from Hedges & Company shows that there are more vehicles on the road than ever. With more vehicles driving, more miles, that's a recipe for more accidents and more demand for replacement parts. While servicing body shop customers can be very profitable from an opportunity standpoint, keep in mind that today's collision repairs aren't what they used to be. Modern vehicles are loaded with computer chips, sensors, and other electronic components that control a wide range of critical systems, which has added a lot of complexity to auto body work. The replacement parts you provide don't just have to fit, they have to function correctly with the vehicle's high-tech safety systems. Let's talk about some of the opportunities. Many of today's components are especially vulnerable during a collision, especially front-end impacts. Active grille shutters are often the first to be damaged. Charge air coolers, ambient air temperature sensors, and center high-mounted stoplight assemblies are frequently hit or broken. Lighting components are prone to damage as well. HID modules are sensitive to impact, while headlight level actuator arms can bend easily. Door lock actuators, trunk latches, liftgate actuators, and hood latches also can be damaged in collisions. Inside the vehicle, driver-operated switches, airbag clock springs, and supporting sensors are all vulnerable in a crash. Meanwhile, critical sensors such as TPMS, ABS sensors, wheel speed sensors, ride height sensors, and park assist connectors can fail even in minor accidents. So how can your parts store play a role? Even if you don't carry major body panels or have a dedicated paint and body equipment section, you can support body shop customers in other ways. Focus on stocking mechanical components, electronic sensors, wiring connectors, and small parts that shops might need to complete a repair. Don't forget about the consumables: sandpaper, saw blades, masking paper, tape, welding wire, cut-off wheels, sanding blocks, and small trim tools are easy to stock and frequently requested. Pneumatic tools such as dual-action sanders, variable speed buffers, and specialty driver bits also tend to be strong sellers. And here's the key: availability. Major body parts are usually pre-ordered before repairs begin, but last-minute add-ons, hidden damage, or emergency needs are where your store can shine. As Tom Dayton points out in a Counterman article, that $5 bag of trim clips or that replacement sensor might be the one missing piece holding up a $5,000 repair job. Focus on the products you already carry that can help body shops complete the jobs on time, and make sure they know you're ready to help. Thanks for watching.